Namaste children, a warm welcome to all of you for this first session. I am Anitha from BLRHS Sirigere. Today we will discuss one of the most important chapter of our 8th standard mathematics, that is exponents and powers. Now let us start exponents and powers. First, mass of the earth is very large, big number. It is written in terms of kg. We have already learned in previous classes how to write a large number more conveniently using exponents. Dear students, in the previous class we already know that how to write such big or large numbers more conveniently using exponents as 5.97 into 10 to the power 24 kg. Once again we will write 5.97 into 10 to the power 24 kg. So we read 10 to the power 24 is read as 10 raised to the power 24. Once again, 10 to the power 24 has read as 10 raised to the power 24. Once again, 10 to the power 24, it is 24 is exponent and 10 is base. Once again, we will write 10 to the power 24 or 10 raised to the power 24. Here 10 is base and 24 is exponents. We now 2 to the power 5 is written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Here 2 to the power 25, 2 to the power 5 is right as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How much times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. 2 can be written as 5 times. Here 2 to the power m can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into up to 2 into 2 into up to which times? M times. This is the basic. Once again you can observe mass of the earth is very large number, big number. It can be written as in terms of kg. In the earlier class we have already write how to calculate such large numbers using exponents as 5.97 into 10 to the power 24 kg. We read as 10 raised to the power 24 or 10 to the power 24. Here is 10 is base and 24 is exponent. Here 2 to the power 5 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Such times, how much times? You can write 5 times. Here 2 to the power m can be written as, that is m times. Powers with negative exponents. We know that 10 square is equal to 10 into 10 is equal to what? 100. Once again, 10 square is equal to 10 into 10 is equal to 100. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ 10 to the power 1 is equal to 10 is equal to 100 by 10. Here 0 cancel, the remaining 10 is. So we can write as 10 is equal to 100 divided by 10. The next one, 10 to the power of 0 value is what? 10 to the power of 0 value is 1 is equal to 10 by 10. 10 cancel, again 1 is remaining. So dear students, 10 to the power 2 is 100, 10 to the power of 1 is 10 and 10 to the power of 0 is equal to 1 is equal to 10 by 10. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ 10 to the power what is the value of 10 to the power of minus 1? Now, continuing the above pattern, we get 10 to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 by 10. So, next 10 to the power minus 2 can be written as 1 by 10 into 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by 100 can be written as 1 by 10 square. Once again, 10 to the power minus 2 is equal to 1 by 10 into 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by 100 is equal to 1 by 10 square or 10 to the power 2. Next, coming to the third point, 10 to the power minus 3 is equal to, you already know that the value of 10 square is equal to 1 by 100. You can written as 1 by 100 into 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by 1000 is equal to 1 by 10 to the power 3 or 10 cube. Dear students, 10 to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 10 and 10 to the power minus 2 can be written as 1 by 10 square and 10 to the power minus 3 can be written as 1 by 10 to the power 3 or 10 cube. Now, consider the following. 3 cube is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to what? Yes, 27. Once again, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Here, 3 square is equal to 3 into 3. The product is 3 3s are 9. So, 9 can be written as 27 by 3. Again, 3 9s are 27. So, 3 cube can be written as 27 and 3 square can be written as 27 by 3. Here, 3 to the power 1 is equal to 3 is equal to, we can write 9 by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. So, the last point, 3 to the power 0 is equal to 1 is equal to 3 by 3. It comes to the denominator. 3, 3, 3. It comes to the denominator. The previous number is 27 divided by 3, 9 divided by 3, 3 divided by 3. The previous number is divided by the base 3. So, the previous number 27 by 3, 9 by 3 and 3 by 3 is divided by the base 3. So, looking at the above pattern, we say take inverse 3 to the power minus 1 or inverse 1. 3 to the power minus 1 we can write as 1 by 3. So, in the middle portion, 1 divided by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. Second one, 3 to the power minus 2 is equal to 1 divided by 3 to the power 2. So, in the middle portion, 1 by 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1 divided by 3 into 3. Once again, 3 into 3. Once again, 3 to the power minus 2 is equal to 1 by 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 into 3 is equal to 1 by 3 square. The last one, 3 to the power minus 3 can be written as 1 divided by 3 to the power 3. In the middle part, 1 by 3 square is here divided by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 square into 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 to the power 3. Once again, recall 3 to the power minus 1 is right as 1 by 3 or second one, 3 to the power minus 2 is 1 by 3 square. the last one, 3 to the power minus 3 is 1 divided by 3 to the power 3. You can now find out the value of 2 to the power minus 1, 2 to the power of minus 2 and 2 to the power of minus 3, etc. In a similar manner, we know 2 to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. Again, 2 to the power minus 2 is equal to 1 by 2 square, and 2 to the power minus 3 is equal to 1 by 2 to the power 3, etc. We have 10 to the power minus 2 or inverse. 10 to the power minus 2 or inverse 2 is equal to 1 by 10 to the power 2, or 10 square is equal to 1 by 10 to the power minus 2. That is the inverse process. So 10 to the power minus 3 is equal to 1 by 10 to the power 3, or again 10 to the power 3 or 10 cube is equal to 1 by 10 to the power minus 3. This is also inverse process. So again 3 to the power minus 2 is equal to 1 by 3 square, or 3 square is equal to 1 divided by 3 to the power minus 2, etc. So these are the inverse process. 2 to the power minus 1 is 1 by 2, or 3 square is equal to 1 divided by 3 to the power minus 2 is these are all inverse process. In general, we can say that for any non-zero integer a to the power minus m is equal to 1 by am, where m is a positive integer. Once again, in general, we can say that for any non-zero integer a, so a to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m, where m is a positive integer. And the second point is inverse process. A to the power minus m is the multiplicative inverse of a to the power m. Once again, a to the power minus m is the multiplicative inverse of a to the power m. Find the multiplicative inverse of the following. First one is 2 to the power minus 4. We can write written as 1 by 2 to the power 4 as. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? 2 ರ ಘಾತ minus 4 ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ. 1 by 2 ರ ಘಾತ 4 is equal to 1 divided by, we can multiply 4 times of 2. 2 ಅನ್ನ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾರಿ ಗುಣಿಸ್ತೀವಿ? 4 ಸಾರಿ ಗುಣಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Second one, 2 to the power minus 2 can written as 1 divided by 7 square is equal to 1 by 7 into 7 is equal to 1 by 7 7s are 49. 7 7s are 49. Third one, 10 to the power minus 5 can be right 1 divided by 10 to the power 5 is equal to 1 by 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. How much times? 5 times can be written as 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is equal to 1 divided by 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 lakh. 1 divided by 1 lakh. Here 10 to the power minus 5 is equal to 1 by 10 to the power 5 is equal to 1 by 10 to the power 5 means 1 lakh. 1 divided by 1 lakh. Again, 5 to the power minus 3 is equal to 1 divided by 5 to the power 3 is equal to 1 by 5 into 5 into 5. Hence, 1 by 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. Here, once again, 5 to the power minus 3 is equal to 1 divided by 5 to the power 3 is equal to 1 by 25. In general, we can say that for any non-zero integers a and b, in general, we can say that a and b are non-zero integers and m and n are any integers. We can observe carefully. A and b are non-zero integers and m and n are any integers. The first law, a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. The first law, a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Second law, a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power n. Once again, second law, a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power n. The third law, a to the power m into b to the power m is equal to ab whole to the power m. Once again, third law, a to the power m into b to the power m is equal to ab whole to the power m. The fourth law, a to the power m divided by b to the power m is equal to a by b whole to the power m. Once again, the fourth law, a to the power m by b to the power m is equal to a by b whole to the power m. The fifth one, dear students, you already know that what is the value of a to the power of 0? Yes, a to the power of 0 is the value is 1. Dear students, now let us solve some example using the above law of exponents. Dear students, the one more law, the sixth law. First, we will take the sixth law, a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Once again, a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. We have learned that for any non-zero integer a, where m non-zero integer is a and m and n are natural numbers. Now let us start one more examples. Now let us start some examples using the exponents. Example 1. Find the value of 2 to the power minus 3 and second one is 1 divided by 3 to the power minus 2. First we will take first one 2 to the power minus 3. Solution. 2 to the power minus 3 can be written as 1 by 2 to the power 3 is equal to 1 divided by how much times? The 2 will be 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. ಎರಡನ್ನ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಾರಿ ಗುಣಿಸಬೇಕು? ಎರಡನ್ನ 3 ಬಾರಿ ಗುಣಿಸಬೇಕು. So 1 by 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Yes. 2 to the power minus 3 is equal to 1 by 8. The second one is 1 divided by 3 to the power minus 2. Solution: 1 divided by 3 to the power minus 2 can be right in the upward. This is in the denominator. The inverse process takes turn. The inverse process will be in the upward cases. 3 to the power 2. Once again observe, 1 divided by 3 to the power minus 2 is equal to 3 square or 3 to the power 2 is equal to 3 into 3 is equal to 3 3s are 9. Once again, 1 divided by 3 to the power minus 2 is equal to 9. These students take some notes.
Example second, simplify minus 4 all to the power 5 into minus 4 all to the power minus 10. Solution: once again write minus 4 all to the power 5 into minus 4 all to the power minus 10. First we take the loss of exponent. The first one, a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. So this is this one is m and n. We take a to the power means minus 4 to the power m plus n means 5 minus 10. Once again write minus 4 whole to the power 5 minus 10. So ನಾವು ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ 10 ಕಳೆದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? minus 5 is here. Next you take inverse multiplicative of a to the power m is equal to a to the power minus m is equal to 1 divided by a to the power m. We can write this is the inverse process. A to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power am means 4 to the power 5. So we can write as 1 divided by minus 4 whole to the power 5. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಬರ್ಕಂತೀವಿ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ 5 ಇದ್ದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಬರೀ 5 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1 ಬೈ ಆದಾಗ ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ 1 divided by minus 4 whole to the power 5. The second problem is 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 6. Once again we will write 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power minus 6. First we take the loss of exponents. A to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. So first we take 2 to the power 5. This one minus is here, minus the m value is 5, minus here minus barutte. The n value is minus 6 of minus 6 is equal to 2 to the power 5 minus into minus plus 6 is equal to 2 to the power 5 plus 6 is 11. Therefore 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power minus 6 is equal to 2 to the power 11. Example 3. Express 4 to the power minus 3 has a power with base 2. Base 2. Solution. Here is we have 4 to the power minus 3. Here we have with base 2. We have 4 can be written as 2 into 2 is equal to 2 square. ಡಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಡೂ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? 4ನ್ನು ನಾವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರಿಬೋದು? 2 ಇಂಟು 2 ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ once again 4 to the power minus 3 is equal to how much? 2 into 2 whole to the power minus 3 is equal to 2 square whole to the power minus 3. ಇಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಾವು ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂದರೆ, ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಮುಂಚೆನೇ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸೂತ್ರ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಯಾವುದಂದರೆ ಎ ಟು ದ ಪವರ್ ಎಮ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಟು ದ ಪವರ್ ಎನ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಟು ದ ಪವರ್ ಎಮ್ ಎನ್. ಸೊ ಎ ಟು ದ ಪವರ್ ಎಮ್ ಎನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇದು ಎ ಟು ದ ಪವರ್ ಎಮ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಟು ದ ಪವರ್ ಎನ್ ಆದಾಗ ನಾವು ಎ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಬರಿತೀವಿ? 2 to the power m into n means 2 into minus 3 is equal to 2 into plus into minus 3 is equal to 2 to the power plus into minus 2 to the power 3 2s are 6. Once again express 4 to the power minus 3 has a power with the base 2. You can write 4 is equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 2 square. We can consider 4 whole to the power minus 3 is equal to, ನಾವು 4ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ? ಎರಡಲೆ 2 2s whole to the power minus 3. 2 2s means 2 square whole to the power minus 3. We can, ಇದು ಯಾವ ಸೂತ್ರದ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ a to the power m whole to the power n. Here is 2 to the power 2 into minus 3, 2 to the power plus into minus 3 2s are 6.